Now we are going to demonstrate the setup of Flowmeter. This Flowmeter is ProMag10, and this is the Flowmeter which is come from the Endress+Hauser. So here this is the basic connection. For this connection we have to open the outlet first, and after that inside you will get the electrical connection. For that, you can see here it is written very clearly what is the electrical connection. This is the 4-wire communication, 4-wire connection. One is 2 for the 24 volt plus and 24 volt ground. And after that, this is 26 and 27. This is the analog output, 4 to 20 milliampere output. And after that, this is the pulse output. From there, we can count the totalizer for this Flowmeter. So first of all, we can see these two dedicated power supply for power, and these two is for 24 to 20 milliampere analog output, and this two is the digital output for the pulse. So first thing first, we can, after connection, we will connect it, and this is the display. This is the discrete display unit. We can open and configure it according to our requirement. And here this is the plus and minus, and this is the E. E is for enter the program, and if we go back or return to the previous page, we have to press 2 buttons at a time. So here, first thing first, for program, we can see this is the group selection system and many others. So this is the operation. Now I will demonstrate you the basic setting. So go to the operation, language, and if you want to change anything, it will ask for the password, and normally the password is the according to the model number. Though this is the ProMag10, so the password is 0010. So 0, 0, 1 and 0. Now it is enabled, programming enabled. So here we can change whatever we can need. So I'm going back in the operation mode. This is the English. If we want to change language, French, Dutch, Spanish, whatever, but now we are taking English. And after that, there are some other operation, user interface, totalizer. So first we need the basic connection for the current output. We are going enter. We are selecting 4 to 20 milliampere. Here we can change lots of other according to our requirement, nominal, heart, etc. So, and normally we are keeping here. So we are going to enter inside. So value for 20 milliampere, it is showing the maximum value. It is right now 50,000 liter per hour. You can change the unit according to your requirement, and you can change whatever the value you need. So for us, we are keeping 50,000. Here we can increase and decrease accordingly. So right now we are 50,000. Here, done. And again the enter, time constant is 1, current output, again I am going enter, the value 0 is 0, and 20 milliampere is the maximum value right now. So I am going back, pulse, this is using for the totalizer. So I am entering, this is the pulse type. You can change according to your own requirement. So right now we are giving 5 liter per pulse. That means after flow of the 5 liter, it will send in the PLC 1 pulse. If you need to change, you just go up and down through the plus and minus. So right now I am keeping like this, value stored, and this is the pulse width. Normally we are keeping 100, 300 or 500 pulse millisecond according to our requirement. So this is the passive or active selection. So normally you keep in all whatever it is in before. Process parameter, so no value for there is empty line detection. This is the minimum flow. If the flow is below the setup, it will show no output. We can change by the plus and minus accordingly. And amplifier detection on and off option, according to this we can select our Flowmeter setting. So this is the thing, whatever you need we can show. You can change the liter per hour on totalizer according to the requirement. That's all. Thank you.